Hi, this is Alex with Therma Shield Spokane, and we're here today at Fitness Northwest with Brenda Wright, who is a co-owner and founder of one of the premier gyms in Spokane. And today I was hoping, Brenda, that you've had us in a couple times now, and I was hoping that maybe you could share some of your thoughts with the window film.
Absolutely, Alex. We didn't realize until the weather started warming up here at Fitness Northwest as a new gym that we definitely have a sun problem in the afternoon heating up the west side of the building. So we had Alex come in and film that window for heat, and it's made a tremendous difference. Additionally, we're having some more windows done on this west side to cut down on their heat in here, especially in a fitness center. People are working out, warming up, and they don't want to be uncomfortable.
And I know we provided you several different selections of films. You happen to choose the Panorama Slate 10, which is an excellent choice. Stops 79% of the radiant heat, 88% of the glare, 99% of the UV rays. And as you continue down this west side, that's going to give your patrons some real protection from the glare and some comfort.
Yep.
So,
yeah, we have glare problems on our cardio equipment here. We want people to be able to see their workouts, and of course, fading, heat costs, all those things.
All right. Well, we appreciate you having us in, and we look forward to working with you here in the future. So this has been Alex with Therma Shield Solar Control in Spokane. Check in with us if you're having issues with heat, glare, or UV fading. We can solve your issues, so we look forward to working with you.